Hey, what's up guys? Robbie Blanchard here, and in this module we'll be going over how to set up your landing pages. Now, if you don't know what a landing page is, guys, it is a very, very important part of the affiliate marketing process on Facebook. Now, here's what a landing page is. Basically, it is a page. It could be a quiz, it could be an article, it could be something that is going to cause a barrier and it's going to cause a psychological change in mindset for the person watching it, or person reading it, excuse me. And the way it works, guys, is typically for two reasons, okay? A lot of people will have their Facebook ad, and they have the Facebook ad go directly to the VSL, which is that video sales letter, which is the offer page, okay? And that's okay, sometimes that works, but a lot of times it doesn't work, and the reason why is because most people go onto Facebook because they want to check out, all right? Nobody goes on to Facebook because they want to buy something. They want to check out what their friends are doing, they want to check out an event, they want to check out photos, but they're not going there to buy, okay? And so when you have an ad that does a really good job of getting them to click through to what you want them to click through to, which is your offer page, okay? It's too abrupt, okay? There's a psychological kind of hold up there where they go from a social mindset to a buyer's mindset. It's too abrupt, okay? There has to be something in between, okay? Because that change doesn't happen in an instant. Now, the way to combat that and the way to fix it is to have a pre-sell page, okay? And the pre-sell page, whether it's your quiz or your article lander, what that's going to do is now that's going to have someone go from the ad, and the ad is going to get them to click over. It kind of, gets their curiosity, gets them to go to your pre-sell page. Your pre-sell page starts to agitate that issue and get them to get more curious and everything like that, whether it's a quiz or an article lander, like I was saying. And from there, they click over to your offer page. All right, now once they go from the quiz or the pre-sell page to your offer page, they're more conditioned, they're in a better mindset to buy, okay? Which is it sounds crazy, you're actually making someone jump through more hoops, but actually that will increase conversions and increase sales for your affiliate marketing, which is amazing. It's a great thing to do. The other reason you want to have a pre-sell page, guys, is because if you're running an offer, a weight loss program, or something that has a lot of claims to it, someone can lose 40 pounds in 20 days or something like that, and it's a VSL, Facebook doesn't necessarily like that, right? So if you're trying to run your ad to that offer page right away, you're probably gonna get shut down. They'll probably disapprove your ads, or even worse, they'll shut down your account, okay? So it's important that you have this pre-sell page and these landing pages set up, guys. So in this module, we're gonna be going over how to set up your landing pages on ClickFunnels, how to choose the right type of wording, type of copy to write, the type of images, what kind of color buttons you need to have. There's a lot of stuff that goes into it, which may not seem like a big deal, but it really is, guys. So make sure you sign up for ClickFunnels as well, guys, because in this course, I'm giving you as a bonus all of my landing pages, so all my pre-sale pages that I've used to make a lot of money, as well as my quizzes as well. Just a lot of cool stuff, guys. And if you don't have ClickFunnels, then you won't be able to use that. So make sure you click that link below where you'll be able to sign up for that ClickFunnels account. You'll be able to have those added to your account as well. So that's it, guys. Make sure you watch the videos in this module. A lot of cool stuff on pre-sale pages, and I know it's going to make a big difference in your affiliate marketing, guys. So that's it. I'll talk to you later, and I'll see you in the next module.